guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix the Monster Legend keep crashing error in Android mobile. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to uninstall the third-party application which supports the Monster Legend. So please guys, uninstall the supporting application which supports the game. So the second step is to update the Monster Legends. So guys, please enter into your Play Store and search for Monster Legend and update the Monster Legend. If in case the it doesn't shows the update, in the sense you are in updated condition, so please skip that step. It's not a big deal. So the third step is to clear the system temp cache files and then free up the internal storage. To clear the system temp file, you need to enter into your cleaner and then you need to delete the junk and cache files. And also guys, please make sure you have better internal storage. If it's not, please delete your some videos, unwanted videos and photos. So our last step is to clear cache file. So please enter into the app info and then click clear data and then click clear cache. If in case the previous steps doesn't work, in the sense you need to clear all data, otherwise don't do that. So after once that done, please restart your system, and that's it guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.